go to lunch or go for lunch? Do we go to lunch or go for lunch? Well, that depends on the situation. When we say go to lunch, what we're saying is let's go somewhere and eat. So, for example, I'm hungry. Let's go to lunch. I'm hungry. Let's go to lunch. A possible response would be, sure. Where do you want to go? Sure. Where do you want to go? Or, what do you have in mind? What do you have in mind? So let's go over the phrase again. Let's go to lunch. Let's go to lunch means let's physically go somewhere. Two example sentences. Hey, Akin, let's go to lunch at Hackconnell's. Hey, Akin, let's go to lunch at Hackconnell's. Or, hey, Akin, let's go to lunch at 12 o'clock. Hey, Akin, let's go to lunch at 12 o'clock. So, saying let's go to lunch is the same as saying let's go to Hackconnell's restaurant or let's go somewhere. We're going somewhere to eat. Now, on to the phrase let's go for lunch. Meaning pretty much the same thing as let's go to lunch, except for the sole purpose of having lunch. Except for is for the sole purpose of having lunch or dinner or breakfast. An example of let's go for lunch is like saying let's go somewhere for the purpose of having lunch. Not dinner, not breakfast, but lunch. Hey, Akin, let's go to Hackconnell's for lunch. Hey, Akin, let's go to Hackconnell's for lunch. Here, we're specifying two things. We're going to Hackconnell's. For what? Right, for lunch. Our purpose of going to Hackconnell's is for lunch. We can also substitute lunch for breakfast or dinner. Let's go to Hackconnell's for dinner. Let's go to Hackconnell's for dinner. It'd be wrong to say, let's go to Hackconnell's to dinner. Let's go to Hackconnell's to dinner. We wouldn't say that. We're already going somewhere. That's what to is for. For gives us the reason or purpose for why we're going. Okay, now it's quiz time. 1. I'm hungry. Let's go. The new burger joint. Blank dinner. What goes into the first blank? What goes into the second blank? Ready? I'm hungry. Let's go. To the new burger joint. For dinner. Perfect. Say that one more time. I'm hungry. Let's go to the new burger joint for dinner. On to number 2. You want to go out? A little lunch? You want to go out? A little lunch? What do you think goes in there? You want to go out for a little lunch? You want to go out for a little lunch? Right, 4 would go in there. On to number 3. Let's go out blank, get some lunch. Let's go out blank, get some lunch. What do you think goes there? Right, let's go out to get some lunch. Let's go out to get some lunch. And we have number 4, let's go. Why don't we go some lunch at Benny's? Benny's would be the name of a restaurant or a place to eat, an eatery. So why don't we go some lunch at Benny's? Ready? Right, why don't we go for some lunch at Benny's? Why don't we go for some lunch at Benny's? Good work. So, for a recap, go to lunch is used for when you plan to go somewhere for lunch or breakfast or dinner or an event. Go for lunch is used for when you give specifics as to which meal or even event you're going out for. Because we can always say, let's go to Hackhanel's for dinner for your birthday. Let's go to Hackhanel's for dinner for your birthday. Let's go to Hackhanel's for breakfast. Let's go to Hackhanel's for breakfast. To a place, for a purpose. And that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Comment, subscribe, like, or share. Thank you. This lesson was brought to you by AMSEN in Kashihara, Japan. Check us out on the web at americanschooloфenglish.info.